And as you can see here, we have a Zigbee module connected to an explorer. So this is our coordinator. And we have another Zigbee module that works as a router, which is connected to an Arduino Mega 255. And we could use this Arduino, and we didn't use the Arduino Uno because it has 4 serial ports. So this allows us to use one serial port to communicate with the XB module, and another serial port to be connected with the serial monitor so we can debug our code. And here the variable resistance is connected to the input analog of the shield. So let's check for the available Zigbee nodes. Check for all serial ports. So here we are, we found the coordinator. Okay, perfect. So it's detected. And let's check the available nodes connected to the network. Perfect, so I have the other router working fine. So now let's read the transmitted data. So here we can receive the frames, and here we can interpret them. So let's make a connection with the coordinator on COM7. So here we are receiving a burst of frames, and as we can see here, they start with 7. So let's take a whole frame and find its meaning. So we go here to the interpreter, paste it, some API 2, that's it. So this is the meaning of this frame. What we are really interested in is the data. So as we can see here, the data transmitted is 016E. So for each frame, these 2 bytes are the data, followed by the checksum. So this allows us to identify the transfer data. The next step now, we need to check the transfer data from the transmitter side with the received data to be sure that everything is the same. So we can have a terminal that we connected to COM8 where the receiver is connected, then connect and see. So as you can see here, the transmitted data is 016E, which is exactly the same like here. Just to be sure that everything is working fine, let's receive more data, and we can go here and change the data. So let's bring serial port here. Okay, perfect. So as we can see here, the data now is 01D8 or DB. If we check here, we will find that, stop it, okay, 7E, so it's here 01 dB, so it's exactly the same. Let's continue reading and change it a little bit. So now it's 0156, and that's right, 0156 here, 0156. We try it again. Let's change it a little bit. So it's 00D0, which is, let's check for it here. Okay, it's difficult a little bit. So yes, 00 D0.